So we managed to successfully cook the spatchcock chicken. That was progress, but honestly, it felt almost too easy. So it's time to level up. Today we make a full meal. Today we make spaghetti and meatballs. What could possibly go wrong? Welcome back to Clueless to Cookout. So first things first, as always, you've seen me do this before. We need to get this lit. We have got some charcoal in there already from previous cooks, but we need to put a little bit more in. So we're gonna do that before we light it. You guys know the drill with this one. There we go. And now we need to get it lit. This is very much the easy part. Like I said, I've done this bit loads of times before. So now that we've got this lit, we can put the grates inside. We have got it on the middle part of the cooking rack. And now we can also put the wok on there as well and fill it up with our water so we can get that boiling. So now that we've got the water in there, we can close it up and get it up to temperature. We can get that water boiling as well now. Now the water has boiled, we put a little bit of olive oil in there, and now we can just put the spaghetti in. A little bit's broken off, but that's okay. Gonna put the meatballs on it now. And open it up, that would be a good start. There we go.
So you just give the pasta a little stir, just so. No, it's hot.
I don't know why I keep doing that. So stupid. So now it looks like the spaghetti is cooked. So before we move it over to here, we are just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in to stop it from sticking. Oh, there's always something in there. There we go.
Yep.
Now we can, with the heatproof glove on, just move the spaghetti over. Just make sure it's all draining. There we go.
This over to the pan. And all we're going to do now is sprinkle some parmesan on it. Chunks of basil. And there we have it.
Something you see in a restaurant, if you ask me.
Try a meatball. 10 out of 10? Don't think Finn talks when he eats.
No, I don't. It's really nice though.
And there we have it. We have finally cooked the eagerly awaited spaghetti and meatballs. I'm not going to pretend it was the easiest thing ever. Did receive a fair bit of help throughout, but that's just because there was so many steps and moving things about and burning my hand. I mean, I'm surprised it's taken us 3 episodes to burn ourselves, but it's all right. You know, we can't complain about that. That's all part of the process. And as we carry on going through, I'm sure I will receive less and less help as I learn what I'm doing. I'm sure next week we are going to step the levels up a little bit more once again. So if you're wanting to watch that, remember to subscribe to follow along with the rest of the journey, and we'll see you next week.